Today I am reviewing the Cryspool 09028 100 square foot pool filter cartridge. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! If you own a pool, you already know the absolute headache that comes with keeping the water crystal clear, especially during the peak of summer. Today, I want to share my honest thoughts and a deep dive review on a product that has genuinely saved me both time and a significant amount of money. The Cryspool 09028 100 square foot pool filter cartridge. Now, if you are looking at this specific model, you probably know how expensive original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, filters can get. I was a bit skeptical at first about going with an independent brand like Cryspool, but after putting it to the test, I am incredibly glad I did. First, let's talk about compatibility and fit, because if a filter doesn't fit perfectly, nothing else matters. This cartridge is designed to replace several major models. It is a direct match for the Clean and Clear 100, the Clean and Clear CCRP 100, the Predator 100, and the Posi-Clear PXCRP 100. It also replaces part numbers like R173215, C9410, and FC0686. When it arrived, I measured it just to be absolutely sure. The length is exactly 23 5/8 inches. The outer dimension is 10 1/16 inches, and both the top and bottom feature a perfect 6-inch open hole. When I dropped it into my filter housing, it slid right into place. There was no awkward forcing, no loose gaps, and the end cap seated firmly, creating a tight, reliable seal. What really sets this filter apart from cheaper generic options, though, is the material quality. Cryspool uses an advanced trilobal fiber fabric. If you aren't familiar with filter mechanics, standard point bond fabrics usually just catch dirt on the very surface, which clogs them up incredibly fast. This trilobal material has a much higher capacity. It allows the water to pass through more thoroughly while trapping fine particles, debris, oils, and hair deep within the pleats. After running my pool pump for a full week with this cartridge, I noticed a visible difference. The water went from slightly hazy to completely sparkling and clear. The structural integrity is also highly impressive. Even under high pump pressure, the pleats don't bunch up or collapse against each other, which keeps the water flowing smoothly and efficiently. But here is the real test for any pool owner: cleaning day. Nobody likes washing out a pool filter, but the structure of this improved fabric actually makes maintenance a breeze. When the pressure gauge on my tank started creeping up, indicating it was time for a wash, I pulled the cartridge out. Because of how the fibers are woven, the trapped dirt and impurities don't get permanently glued to the fabric. I was able to use a standard garden hose with a spray nozzle, and the debris washed right out of the pleats without me having to scrub at it. Within just a few minutes, the fabric looked practically brand new again. If you want a quick pro tip to maximize your investment, clean the cartridge regularly and don't let the dirt cake on and dry out. If you take care of it, this single cartridge will last you a very long time, which ultimately minimizes your overall water usage and saves you from constantly buying replacements. To wrap it all up, the Cryspool 09028 is a stellar choice. It delivers the exact same heavy-duty performance, premium filtration, and perfect fit as the big-name brands, but at a fraction of the cost. It is durable, incredibly easy to clean, and keeps the pool water pristine. If you need a reliable 100 square foot cartridge, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Thanks for listening, and happy swimming.